Ayan na mga kababayan, matapos pong magbanta si Dan Fernandez kay dating Pangulong Duterte bago maghiring mga kababayan na no uttering of bad words. Oh, yung uttering mga kababayan. Ang kanyang pagkasabi, uttering, ang uttering. Oh. Ay ngayon, nakaharap na po itong si Dandan mga kababayan, si dating Pangulong Duterte. At narito po ang kanilang harapan mga kababayan.
Sir,
Meaning,
meron talagang kasalanan.
ginawa. Oh. Tapos ipapasa nyo kay Duterte.
Pwedeng, basta i-dismiss mo lang yung pulit.
But Mr. President, sa isang press con po na napanood ko po ay nabanggit niyo po yung
Dandan go,
reward
dandan
system
suy.
na binabanggit niyo po yung 3 milyon para po dun sa eradication ng drug lords.
Eradication
At,
of
meron din po
drug
kayo
lords.
nabanggit doon sa 2 milyon naman po para po dun sa mga drugista. At meron din po kayong binanggit doon na second echelon na almost 1 million. Ito po ba ay totoo, Mr. President?
Oh. Bantay Dan, baka.
Correct. I was
Oh,
fighting.
Oh,
drug war.
correct. Uttering of bad words sa bayan, Dan? Baka pwede mo na pauwiin si Digong. Sabi niya mga kababayan, papauwiin daw niya ng Davao City kapag mag-utter, mag-utter daw ng bad words.
Doon sa mga manufacturers, sinasabi ko talaga patayin ninyo. Patayin ninyo.
Oh, dandan suy.
Basta maabot na ninyo dyan sa factory na nagluluto ng Cebu, patayin ninyo.
Oh.
Yan ang utos ko.
Ilistan nyo na, ilistan nyo na.
And I assume full responsibility.
Oh, full
President.
responsibility.
Yung mga nasa labas,
Mm.
naglakad, nanhuli, hindi yun.
No.
Actual na sa factory, sabi ko, ubusin nyo lahat.
Oh, ang problema mga kababayan, mayroon ba na ganyan? 'Di ba wala, nahuli lahat mga kababayan. Kung mayroon man di nanlaban. Oh. Lusot pa rin si Digong diyan.
Lalo na yung mga aliens. And this
Oo.
happened in my city,
And
Foreigners,
in other cities in the Philippines.
and you take full responsibility
Of
for
course.
this, sir.
Oh,
Mr.
of
President.
course. Oh.
I will go
Hindi
to
katulad mo
prison
dandan
for that
suy.
na, sir,
At yun po ay in terms of policy, yun po yung inyong sinasabi. Ito po yung polisiya ng ating gobyerno, and that's the reason why ito po yung inyong pinaninindigan. Correct, Mr.
Correct.
President.
isahin ko na lang, and I will not repeat it.
Oh, paulit-ulit.
Did it as a matter of principle
Oh.
to protect my country.
Oh. Palibasa ito
The
sila
long
dandan
and
suy.
short of it,
Protect the money.
anong tanong man ninyo.
Mr. Chairman, recently lang po, si PNP Chief Marbil ay meron po siyang interview dito po sa, can you kindly show yung
Marbil.
GMA News Online number 12. At sinabi po ni PNP Chief Marbil that based on the official PNP data from July 2016 to June 2022, Marbil said that 1,286 officers were affected in the line of duty, with 312 killed and 974 wounded. And at the same time, sabi niya po, Mr. President, Mr. Chairman, that these police officers carried out their responsibilities with dedication and often face considerable risk to
Face,
ensure public
Face.
safety.
FF.
Many officers endured not only physical harm but also found themselves entangled in legal and administrative challenges. 214, Mr. President, ng mga officers ng PNP faced 352 criminal
Face.
cases during this period.
Ay, Diyos mo yun.
And according to him, that while the
Dandan
promise
swing.
of support was made, many officers continued to face consequences largely
To
on
face
their
na
own.
naman.
Dinagdag pa po niya, Mr. President and Mr. Chairman, that 195 officers were dismissed
Officers.
over the period of 6 years. There are also 398 cops facing dismissal for
O, sige,
various
wrap up
reasons.
na.
More than 20 police officers are currently
Anong question mo? Wrap up na.
in the. He noted that even as former President Duterte publicly committed to supporting those enforcing the campaign,
Enforcing.
he said there is no official record that these commitments were fully realized?
Fully.
I was not asked even for a minute
So,
na
Mr.
tumulong and for what a
Oh.
particular purpose. Then,
Humingi kayo
will
ng tulong.
now make this promise. I will start a fund sa protection ng mga pulis. I'm putting up 1 million.
Go! Oh.
Hanap ako.
Papadraising pa-
Hindi ako meron million lang.
Papadraising na na
Mr. Chairman,
tuloy si
I will start.
PRRD.
Yeah.
Maraming
Raising fund.
papadraise ito ng mga kababayan.
Para tulungan yung mga pulis.
Mr. President,
And I will personally appear in court. Ako mismo ang
Sir.
mag-defense counsel nila.
Mr. Chairman,
Good.
Mr. President, 2 days ago you have mentioned that wala po kayong pamasahe papunta po dito. And I'm pretty shocked that you have 1 million in your account to help our policemen.
Naniwala
And
ka
we salute
naman.
you, Mr. President, for
Ang sabi
that
na,
and for being honest.
Hoy,
That will
Dandansoy,
one-
ang Dandansoy. Ang sabi niya, hindi siya gagastos ng paulit-ulit na pabalik-balik dyan. Kaya, diretsahan na to 10 days na trial.
It will
Million
be-
is
wait,
for
wait,
my-
wait po, Mr.
that's
President.
what-
Mr.
million
President, I
is
still
for
have the floor, Mr. President.
upkeep
Excuse
of
me.
my
As much-
medicine and subsistence.
Siya ang pinatahimik. Oh. Oh. Si Dandansoy ba tuloy? Shut up. Suspended. Hindi kasi nila pinapatapos mga kababayan magsalita. Ungas na to.
Bastos.
Chairman, Mr. President, that 1 million we go a long, long way.
I will hunt to you the 1
Point
million
of order, Mr. Chairman.
before this.
Point of order, Mr. Chairman.
Oh, ang galit na si Paduano.
Rule that was violated. What is the point of
Karaps.
order of Congressman
The
Paduano?
former president is speaking without the recognition of the chairman. And
Wala
please,
kami pake. Oh.
Mr. President, former president,
Kanina
you know
pa
the
yan.
rules.
Kanina pa yan gustong sabihin ni Karaps mga kababayan ni Paduano. Ngayon lang nagkalakas ng loob. Bahala kayo. Oh. Sasagot ako kung kailan ako sasagot.
It was read by Chairman
Perfect.
Acop. And being a former congressman, you know the internal rules. Let the members of this committee finish
Blah, blah, blah,
the
blah.
question before
Finish.
answering. That's my first point of order, Mr. Chairman.
Pinit
And I hope the former president understand.
Nakalimutan
The rules.
ko na yon. Yung rules na yun.
Oh, now, I now want you.
Hindi
Pinapaalala ko po.
I'm not,
Now again,
I am
Mr.
not-
Chairman,
Oh.
Chairman,
Hearing suspended.
the former president is
Hearing
speaking.
suspended.
Suspenda ka, Karaps. Paggulo ka lang dyan, Karaps eh. Paduano. Karaps pala ang kayang palayo, mga kababayan, no? Buti hindi naging kuraps. Oh. O, napaalis si Paduano, mga kababayan, oh. Ala, baka susugurin na niya, mga kababayan. Di ba sinugod niya si Marcoleta dati? Sige, sugurin mo, Paduano. Tapang ka?
Mga kasama, mga resource persons, to always address the chairperson when you want to speak and wait for the chair to
Tinatanong nyo
recognize
eh.
you.
Tinatanong nyo, tapos kung sasabihin nyo, mag-antay kayong ma-recognize? Ang tagal matapos
Para
yan.
maganda yung communication, yung pali. Dadating po sa before at sa atay.
The members. Ano po, short manifestation lang po. Kasi po, before we start the interpellation, malinaw po na
Ay,
it was
paulit-ulit,
discussed
Paduano.
to all resource persons and
Diyos
even
mio.
to the members, the rules in this committee. And the former president is keep on violating
Skip on!
that rules. Sabi ko na nga, he was then,
Sige na.
Mr. President.
Sige, skip
I'm sorry,
natin yan.
Mr. Chairman.
Ulitin
Sige
po.
Okay,
Bayan
thank you,
yan.
Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, ang nabanggit po dito ay 195 officers were dismissed over
100
the 6-year period. Ang tanong ko po, Mr. President, bakit ngayon nyo lang po ipagkakaloob yung 1 million samantalang na-dismiss na po ito pong 195 officers?
I
Wala nga humingi ng tulong sa kanya eh.
do not have the records. Sir,
Wala
Sir.
hindi ako Polcom.
Mm.
So, hindi ko alam yan.
But being the former president, sir, you have this
I know that
capacity.
some policemen were dismissed.
Because it was promised by you that you will, sabi niyo po ay sagot niyo silang lahat. But unfortunately, ito po nga po, nakita po natin, nagre-react na po ang PNP. And ang feeling po nila ay they were left alone,
Well,
Mr. President.
Left alone.
If you're citing the records, then I would admit it. Na yun, totoo yan.
Yes, I agree with that.
Walang problema.
Ay,
Sinabi mo eh.
Hindi, I agree
Sinabi
with that,
mo
Mr.
eh.
President. But my question is, bakit po natin silang napabayaang katulad po nito? Sagot na po sila. Pero 195 man na-dismissed, 398 cops facing dismissal, 1,286 dead.
Sige, ibalik niyo sa pagiging presidente si dating Pangulong Digong. Tutulungan niya yan.
At yung iba po ay wounded. Were we able to help them?
Singatlag ang, puntahan mo para tumulong
Alam mo,
dyan.
sir, if you work for a government, there are rules to be followed.
See?
It is not just because you are a policeman that you're always correct. It is not
Oh. Bakit kasi hindi sila pang-follow ng rules?
safe to say that you are a mayor that you are always correct.
Hmm.
That you rule the city by your own.
Real.
Maraming nakakamali. And there must be
Kaya nga nakakasuhan.
a reason for their dismissal.
Oh.
There cannot be a dismissal without a lawful ground.
Yan talaga
Kung
mga kababayan.
napaalis yan, sir,
Meaning,
meron talagang kasalanan.
ginawa. Oh. Tapos ipapasa nyo kay Duterte. Isisisi nyo sa kanya. Transferable ba yan? Guilt? Guilt is personal.
Di mo pwedeng basta i-dismiss mo lang yung pulit.
But Mr. President, you
Pero ako, pro-police talaga ako.
Yes.
Protektahan ko talaga ang police.
I understand, Mr. President. But you made a promise, Mr. President, that sagot,
Hindi na siya presidente ngayon. Nung presidente siya. Pero ngayon, wala na yung pera. Hindi kagaya nung iba dyan na nagkamal ng yaman habang nasa pwesto.
yun sila.
Sagot ko.
And yun po ang problema natin, Mr. President, Mr. Chairman, that after 6 years, ngayon lang po tayo magbibigay ng tulong para po sa kanila.
Hindi.
The record will show, Mr. President.
Hindi mo, yan ang record. Hindi, walang record ng bigas, pati pera.
No, Mr. President.
binigay ko
What
sa
I'm trying to
pamilya
say,
nila.
The
See?
record will show that
Yun palang pagdoblado ng sweldo mga kababayan, di ba?
Alam mo si Marvin, you remind him, hindi nakalista yung mga bigas na binigay ko sa mga pamilya ng polis, pera, enrollment ng mga bata. Hindi nakalista dyan. You
Mr.
remind that Marvel to
Mr. President,
use your...
ang binabanggit po
Use
natin
your-
dito ay tulong na legal.
Use
Huwag
your
kang
brain.
maniwala dyan kay Marvel. Wala ka dyan.
Oh.
Okay, we will be but
Naningil pa,
sige po,
Sige,
punta po tayo
Dan,
sa
iyak
susunod,
na, Dan.
Mr. President, Mr. Chairman, I would
Rayola.
like to show a video. And later I'll be asking the former president to answer some queries from this representation.
Hindi. Sandali lang.
Oh.
I'm not trying
Sandali.
to be smart talaga. I'm sorry if I'm overdoing.
Hindi, it's okay po, Mr. President. No problem po.
It's not really, hindi ko sinasadya yan.
No po.
Sinasadya mo, ha?
I was once a member of Congress.
Diretso mo na.
Medyo
Wag
emotional
din.
lang kasi ako basta sa crime na.
Ang tagal kasi nakakaintindi mga kababayan.
We understand that po, Mr. President. And thank you for that. Pakita lang po natin yung video, Mr. President.